Hello and welcome back to Guru the Guru. I hope you're enjoying what we're doing, and if you're enjoying, please like and subscribe to this channel so that we may keep reaching more developers. With that said, this is the third week of our challenge whereby we're posting Docker commands on my LinkedIn page every day of the week. So this is the third week. If you've not seen the other videos, click up there and you'll be able to get at least one of them and start somewhere. So we believe Docker should be simple, and we are simplifying it for developers. So this week we are having 5 more commands. One, we'll pull a Docker image from the Dockerhub. So probably you're using another repository, so you can use it, either Nexus or any other repository you're using. So that is downloading the image from Dockerhub. That is what we'll be using. And then we go ahead to list all images. That is an image command that we'll use through and through the whole tutorial. And then we have deleting a specific image, deleting dangling images, and then we'll also push our own image into Dockerhub. So let's get started with the first one. So we can pull an Nginx image from Dockerhub. So all I need to do that is sudo docker pull, and then have the image type. So the image is Nginx. If I do not put the tag like latest here, it will just go for the latest, and I just want you to see that. So you can pull that. You can see the image is not there. It should take a few seconds, and then you can just, now the second command, list all the Nginx or all the images. So sudo docker image, type that from image ls. So you can see it's the only image that is available. So clear that. So we have already gone through 2 commands. First of all, pulling an image from Dockerhub, and then we have been able to list all the images on our virtual machine. So I believe you already know that, and I did not specify this at the beginning because I assumed you have been with us through the challenges. So ensure your virtual machine has Docker installed. This is an Ubuntu 22, and all you need to do is sudo docker not sudo docker sudo apt install docker.io, and you're able to have Docker on your system. So we already have that. So 2 commands are down. 1, download the image. 2, list all the images. Now we go to 3. We want to push an image into Dockerhub. So how do we do it? First of all, let's create a Docker file. So vim Docker file. Ensure the D is caps. So Docker file, it's empty. So this is vim. I need to press I to insert into it. So we first of all start with the from. So what image do we want to use? The base image. So Ubuntu latest. And then what command would we like it to be able to do? So we can just have this is caps. Then we can go into, can have it echo. Please subscribe to Guru the Guru. So that's it. So just escape and then save WQ. So you have your Docker file ready. So how do you create an image from the Docker file? So let's go ahead, create our image. But first of all, before creating the image, you need to have a repository to push it into. So let's go into Dockerhub. So this is my hub. So I need to create a repository. So here you can call it Guru, and then Ubuntu image. So this is an Ubuntu image, and then create. And then I need this, the tag, or the name rather. Then go back here. Now sudo docker tag. So the name I'll give the image. Then I do not even need to give the tag. It will go to the latest. Let's just see that in action. So dot, because that clear. I think I made a mistake somewhere. Let me give it a tag 1.0.0 dot here. What is Sorry guys. Let me just sudo docker. I forgot build. I did not notice it at first. So, and then the tag. So a tag do not need the port, so just that. So this will form the latest image. So it should take a few seconds because just two commands. So you can see we have now successfully created Bright 177 latest. So the latest image. So let's push this into Dockerhub. So ensure you have logged in into your Dockerhub. So just do sudo docker login, and it will ask you for your username and your password, and you should be good. So all I need to do for me is sudo docker push, and then I need this. Should take just a few seconds. So that's that. That's done. It's clear. Let's go back into our repository and just refresh. So you can see latest image a few seconds ago. So now we have gone through downloading an image. We have done the listing command, which we're going to be using continuously in the tutorial, and then we have done creating our own image and pushing it into Dockerhub. So now we want to delete one image, a specific image. So that is our fourth command, a specific image. Sorry, sudo docker image ls. So let's choose one image. So you see we have three: Ubuntu because it's a base image for Guru, and then we have Nginx, which we pulled as our first command. So sudo docker rmi to image, forget that bit, image rmi, and then I either need the ID, you can take the first few letters, or I need the name. So I'll use this. I should remove it clear. Let's check if it's removed for real. Okay, image plus. So you can see we only have Ubuntu and Guru the Guru. So let's edit our Docker file so that we go to our last command, which is removing dangling images. So let's go ahead to the vim Docker file. So I have echo. So let me just insert. Let's remove. Please subscribe and put you are amazing students, and then escape, and then you can just save that. So now let's build the image again. So you'll see we'll have now 3 containers again, but one of them will have none tags. So let's just go ahead, sudo docker build, then we have a tag. We just have to copy that again, and then have that. So let's go ahead to go to latest, but also note what happens if you do not change your Docker file. It will just use the cache, it will not build a new image. But now you can see build another image. So let's clear this. Sudo docker image ls. You can see has a tag none. So let's remove the dangling one, this one. So sudo docker. Now first of all, let's do something. Let's tie the latest one to a container, because if you remove the dangling one, it tells you a warning that if it's not tied to a container, it's going to be removed. So let's just, they shouldn't work, but we'll just go ahead and do it. You can go and use 80, you can use 80. Then we can have the name as sample, and you can have the image. Where's the image? This one. Sudo docker run detach iterative, and then use the port and the name. So that's that. So let me just check the containers. Okay, yes, so you can see one container, though it's exited, that is no issue. So let's now remove the dangling images. Remember, let's just say sudo docker image prune, then we can have the all tag. So let's just click that. I don't know what I messed up, typed wrongly, man. Sudo docker image prune all. There you go. So you can see the warning. This will remove all images without at least one container associated with them. But you just go ahead and say yes. So it should remove one container at least. So the first one, the one with none, let's just check. Sudo docker image ls. So you can see it only remains with the one that we created last 2 minutes ago. So guys, that is all from us in that week. I hope you share, you like, you subscribe, and you also tell a friend. So guys, bye bye, see you next week.